उसको रोटेट चालू करो ना।
डॉक्टर नंदिनी रे कहाँ चली गई? डॉक्टर अब्रुजी
मोबाइल से लैंडस्केप मोड हो जाएगा।
You know,
रोटेट चालू करो।
we're trying to get into the computer because I think the storms, the internet access has gone kaput. So we're getting in through the phone.
Okay, lovely. We're waiting for you. Please come.
Let's see. Try again.
In case you're not getting through, just stop your video. Your internet will be fine. Your audio will go through.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
We are already on live on Facebook. Watch it. तो आपकी सारी movements बाहर जा रही हैं.
मेरी भी जा रही है.
Now Amia is video and audio both on.
Amia ji, how are you?
Kapil sir आ गए हैं. Kapil sir is here.
Hi, Kapil.
Hi.
Hi, Kapil sir.
Ravi, put Kapil Paji on spotlight.
Yes.
Wow. Sir, pranam.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार।
आजकल हाथ तो मिला नहीं सकते, नमस्कार करके ही गुजारा करना पड़ेगा।
सर आपके
नहीं
दर्शन हो
कपिल
गए,
जी,
बहुत
हम
बड़ी
आपके
बात
लिए
है।
यहाँ से किसेस ब्लो कर सकते हैं, हाथ नहीं मिला सकते तो।
हाँ, बस वही कर सकते हैं।
I don't know what to say because आज ऐसा this is something I don't know how to handle this. Sir, how are you?
Very well, thank you very much. Really, I'm more worried about you people in Calcutta. I believe
Yes.
the weather is not very kind to you people, so I just want to know. I hope everything is okay.
Sir, it's balanced right now because Haryana hurricane is here, so cyclone को शांत रहना पड़ेगा। So nice to have you. In fact, you know what? I have a small memory with you. Several years ago. क्या नाम था उनका नाम? Are you there?
Yes,
Are you
very
all
much.
watching? You remember Avi Mishri?
Yes, of course, ITC. Is that right?
Yes. And
Yes.
you had come to his house.
Yes, of course I
I
remember.
had met you there. That is the building I live.
All right, I don't have a great memory, but I do remember.
But I remember. So my son was on your lap, and that picture is still there with me.
Okay, so I become very old now.
No, you are still younger. You're still so young. Sir, it's so nice to see you. Actually, क्या होता है ना, जब भगवान खुद सामने आ जाता है ना, तो दूसरे की बोलती बंद हो जाती है. वरना मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ.
नहीं, और दूसरा अगर आप किसी को इतना बड़ा औहदा दे देंगे तो उसकी वैसे ही बोलती बंद हो जाती है।
आपको पता नहीं है, आपके नाम के कारण सिर्फ हम लोग we have a very small platform of friends. We are a few friends, we got together. So what we do is on Zoom we keep inviting eminent personalities to have a small interaction with them, and we invite a lot of people to come and say hello to you. तो उस तरह से हम लोग का ये we started this सिलसिला. Then you came over. अरे आज भगवान साक्षात आ गए. और सीमा जी, are you there?
Yeah, I'm very much there. Namaskar, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. नमस्कार।
सीमा जी के कारण आज हमें आपके दर्शन हो गए, बहुत बड़ी बात है। Something very very big
सीमा
happened
जी
today.
के कारण नहीं है, सर के कारण ही हुए हैं. He's agreed. He's been very generous and very thankful.
Live on Facebook as well, Gauri.
And he eagerly, agreed to work on show for us. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
In fact, we have invited a lot of doctors here in the gallery. I would like all the doctors, please say hello to him. I start with Dr. Shilpi Malhotra.
Hello. In fact,
Namaste, sir.
Namaskar.
Totally overwhelmed by your presence.
Thank you. In fact, I want to say thank you to you people because you, doctor, have done a great job. Absolutely. There's no word to express how good job you people have done during this. Not you people, every doctor in our country taken the pain and gone out of their way and not worried about anything. Hats off to you people. You are the true heroes.
Thank you so much. We have a couple of doctors here, in fact, with me. I can see
In fact,
Dr. Anjan
in fact-
Siotia here.
Yeah, I'll just introduce the doctors to you. We have Dr. Shilpi Malhotra, she's a dentist. Then we have Dr. Nandini Ray with Dr. Abhijit Ray. One is an ophthalmologist and the other is the rheumatologist. We have Dr. Sarfaraz Beg. Dr. Sarfaraz Beg, you're not visible. Dr. Anjan Siotia is here. Dr. Anjan Siotia is a cardiac surgeon.
Hi.
And then we have Dr. Devajit Datta. He's a gastroenterologist. That's my wife. Can't see my wife. Where is she?
Jitin, the voice is too low. We have
I
to
know.
do-
Actually, I'm using a mobile phone internet. Can we admit all,
Nahi,
please?
Even sir's voice is very low.
Okay.
We
I'm
these
doing
are
that.
audible.
That's better. All admitted.
Yeah, okay. बाजी एक गुजारिश है आपसे
जी
ऐसी है कि आज का जो माहौल है इतना बुरा है आई डोंट नो कितने लोग आज एंटर कर पाएंगे तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द सेशन सबसे पहले आपसे माफी मांगते हुए रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आपको एक ट्रिप और मारना पड़ेगा
जरूर मैं तो बोल रहा था इनको कि अगर आज समय ठीक नहीं है तो फिर कभी कर लेंगे लेकिन सीमा जी ने बोला सब ठीक है इट्स ओके
सर ये लोग बहुत देर से वेट कर रहे हैं आपके लिए तो मुझे लगा कि आज अगर हम उसको कैंसिल कर लेंगे थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता ये सब आपसे मिलने के लिए इतने बेताब थे कि वी हैड टू ब्रिंग देम हियर
इट्स ओके विद मी इट्स ओके विद मी
Thanks so much. So good of you. Okay, can we start the session, sir? Okay.
जी
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a warm welcome to Papa JC Talk Show. Today is the 32nd show, and we have with us the god of cricket. He has agreed to come here, thanks to Seema Daga ji, who got us introduced to him. Now he is here for all of you. You can ask your questions. You can say hello to him, and there should be some small set of rules that we'll follow today. Can all go mute, please? Can all go mute?
Ravi, mute all.
Mute all, please.
JT, you are also mute.
Yeah, okay, fine. So let us all start with a small set of rules today. You must not ask with how are you and what are you doing. You can finish your question in 1 minute and take your answer and say bye-bye and leave. Because Paji is here only for half an hour to 40 minutes maximum. तो आप इनसे वैसे सवाल ना करें जो समय ज्यादा ले दूसरी बात कोशिश करके क्रिकेट का सवाल का जवाब चाहिए तो वो आपको मिल जाएगा गूगल में भर्ती पड़ा हुआ है पाजी लिखो तो उनको उनके सारे पूरी हिस्ट्री आ जाती है आज कोशिश करके सवाल हम लोग वैसा करते हैं जिससे हम जान पाए कि पाजी क्रिकेट के अलावा क्या है व्हाट डज ही डू बियॉन्ड क्रिकेट वो क्या चीज और पसंद करते हैं कैसे रहते हैं हाउ ही मेंटेन्स हिमसेल्फ सो फिट इवन एट दिस एज आई वुडंट से ही इज कुछ लोग एजलेस होते हैं दे डोंट एज एट ऑल आवर पाजी इज एजलेस एंड so please ask if you have to ask questions your questions should be around his life now what he does how he lives he has so many other things to do he has so many other things as a habit he has so many things that we can take from him so let's start from here and may I now request Dr. Sarfaraz Beg to introduce Baji.
Sir, very good evening to you. This is Dr. Sarfaraz Beg, a die-hard fan. मैं सिर्फ 12 साल का था जब आपने पोटेंशियल कप उठाया था सो मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई वी आर सच प्राउड इंडियंस इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड आई वुड लाइक टू गिव अ स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन इट्स नॉट इजी टू गिव एन इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर अ मैन लाइक यू बट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव एन इंट्रोडक्शन आई विल ट्राई टू गिव एन इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर यू इन द क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड दिस जेंटलमैन चेंज्ड द वे इंडिया वाज परसीव्ड फॉरएवर व्हेन ही लिफ्टेड द वर्ल्ड कप इन 1983. Some facts about this legend which I want to revise. He's never been run out in his test career. He has never been run out in his test career. How cool is that? He has never missed a test because of injury or fitness issues. I think jo teenagers sun rahe hain, please pay attention. He's never missed a test because of injury or fitness issues. He is the youngest bowler to take 300 test wickets. He's the only player in the history of the game. He's the only player in the history of the game to achieve the all-rounders double of 4,000 runs and 400 wickets in Test cricket. He was named as the Indian Cricketer of the Century by Wisden magazine, and he has been awarded by Arjuna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan by the Government of India. मैं हरियाणा हरिकेन्स को यही कहना चाहूँगा सर, हम लोग आपको पाकर बहुत खुश हैं और it's actually a befitting day to have the Haryana Hurricane with us because we know with you we can face the Amphan Hurricane. और before I send it back to Jiten Chawla, 4 लाइन मैंने आप पे लिखी है सर, अगर आप इसे सुनेंगे तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी. तूफान से आंख मिलाना, तूफान से आंख मिलाना और दबाव में मुस्कुराना, तूफान से आंख मिलाना और दबाव में मुस्कुराना, इनाम और फन इतने के हिसाब नहीं और कहते हैं कपिल देव का जवाब नहीं.
Excellent, excellent, very well.
Back to Jiten.
Thank you, सरफराज जी. वाकई बॉस, आपने तो आज सही कर दिया, वो कर दिया जो हम कभी कर नहीं सकते थे. बहुत सुंदर बनाया आपने. Thank you so much.
सर ये इतने खूबसूरत है, उनके बारे में लिखना कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है.
Pradeep ji, may I now request you to come forward. Pradeep ji, are you there?
Hi, Kapil. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Yes. Welcome to this show.
Only thing is, I can see. I can see your window, and it's wind is really blowing.
Yes, it is. And I have Seema with me. She's around, and she will join me. तो ऐसा है कि कपिल आप के बारे में कुछ भी यदि बात हो, चाहे वो anything about you can be easily seen in the Google. One has to Google search and will know everything about you, most of it. लेकिन while you're an open book, which anybody knows about and read about, there are always some hidden side which is not printed in the book. And you're a man who is very happy always to share your experience and a lot of other things which are not known to many people and which you like to share. So I think today in this particular show, apart from cricket, which anyway will come up, we will request you to kindly speak about the things that you would like to open your heart for and share with us, and it will be our honor and pleasure. Please, over to you, and to JC to kindly invite questions from people.
In the meantime, may I request all children, all teenagers to raise your hands so that I can take you forward to ask questions. Remember not to ask about how you are and what you are doing. Straight go to the question straight. I want all teenagers to please raise your hands. Fine. Sir, आप बताओ. इन्होंने पूछा आपसे कि ऐसी कोई बात जो हमें पता नहीं हो.
मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि आपको क्या पता है या क्या नहीं पता. I think as he said rightly, it's like an open book. Everything people like us, everybody knows or written, the people who take interest in cricket. But what I can say people don't know, I don't know myself also sometimes what people don't know about me. But this, God have given us this life. I think that's the wonderful thing. And that's, we all don't know properly what does that mean. Only thing I would say, 99% we keep on cribbing. Stop cribbing, enjoy yourself. Life God have given us to live. Difficult and good time will come. But how lucky we are to have such a wonderful time. In last 60 days also people said, must be very tough. I said, no, not at all. You know, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. अब इतना अच्छा मौसम, इतना अच्छा वातावरण आ गया, तो उसके लिए अगर थोड़े दिन घर में बैठना पड़ा तो कोई बात नहीं. So this is me, which I don't know people know about me or not. I am satisfied person. I'm content with my life. But I always work more than 100%. And that's it.
Excellent. Very well said. Sir, can I allow some teenagers to ask you questions?
Well, anybody ask the question. Now it's your time.
Thank you so much. Aradhya Bihani, I am unmuting you. Aradhya Bihani, you are unmuted. Yeah. Can you please unmute Aradhya Bihani?
He's unmuted.
Okay, he's there. So he's still muted.
Why?
Hello.
Yeah. Start. Aradhya, is he not unmuted? Karuna.
हो चुका है. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Kapil sir.
Hi.
It's an honor to meet you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And the question I would like to ask is, आपको past India team और present India team में क्या difference लगता है?
I think today's kids, or like people like you, and today's team is much more confident about themselves. That's the only difference. Still, same way you hit cover drive, you hit straight drive, you hit sixes. But the attitude over the period of time, I would say in last 10, 15, 20 years, have changed. Not in cricket, in the country itself. The
Yes.
self-belief have come to an age where we are ready to take a challenge, any kind of challenge, which
Yes.
perhaps 20, 30 years, we are a little subdued. Wasn't like that. We were conscious about a lot of things, but today's youngster, I think
Yeah.
is a lot more confident, and credit goes to everybody. It goes to your parents who are given the freedom for you
True.
to be open up and talk anything.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Next, Dhruv Rampuria.
Dhruv, unmute कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Oh no.
क्या हो रहा है कुछ आज क्या हो रहा है ना आज प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा कनेक्शन की इतनी ज्यादा हो रही है कि थिंग्स आर नॉट फंक्शनिंग एज स्मूथली. Dhruv, are you unmuted?
Yes, Kapil sir, pranam.
Pranam, namaskar. Pranam.
नमस्कार सर. सर मेरी क्वेश्चन सर आपसे ये है कि when you went for the 83 World Cup, India was a team which was not looked at as the best team, but sir still you got the World Cup home. So sir, how was it? Like did you take it up as a challenge, or how did you feel at that time, sir?
I don't remember much of that because almost 35 and plus years back, what happened 39 years, it's very difficult to remember everything. But few major things, a few accidents you always remember in life. We went as a bunch of cricketers who want to just play and enjoy ourselves. But in every team, you have certain people who are mindset is different, and certain people, their mindset is different, because you can't find all 11 or all 16 or 15 people have one mindset. But about our team 83, the best part happened is, yes, we didn't have a very big team, neither we had a big reputation. But once you start playing well, when a result is coming on your side, when you start believing about yourself and self-belief increase, I think the results start changing. And that's what it happened to 83 team. Halfway through of the tournament, the self-belief, not in me, entire team changed. And that's how the results start changing.
Wow. Sir, एक और क्वेश्चन सर आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा.
Only one.
Any teaching or any a very small knowledge which you would want to pass on to the youngsters or people, kids like us who could who aspire to be cricketers but are not being able to teach
First thing you have to understand, it's not cricketer. In life is the lesson. You want to achieve anything, you should be 100% determination, dedication, discipline. But being a cricketer is not big. Being a good human being, whatever the work you are doing is very, very important. Everybody can't become a cricketer, but if you want to be a scientist or you want to be a football player, whatever work you are doing, give more than 100% and make that is your attitude. One day it will succeed, whatever work you are doing.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. प्रणाम सर आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you, Dhruv. Please unmute Manish Agarwal ji.
Done.
Manish Agarwal ji. He is not unmuted. Pankaj Manot को कर दीजिए.
Okay.
Yeah, Pankaj, you are alive.
Sir, a very, very good evening and pranam to you. Sir, you've been a very good cricketer and you've always played a team game. But now as a new avatar, I know you are a great golfer and you are a scratch golfer. And I've had the great fortune of seeing your game at the RCGC. So what is this transition like from a team game to an individual sport?
First of all, it's a different kind of question. I individually, if I look at myself, I'm a very individual person in that way. I take a pride about my performance and I criticize myself when I didn't play. But when you're growing up, you don't know your own personality. I played a game, was a team game. But once I start playing golf, I realize myself I'm a very individual person who like to take a pride and defeat on my own. But cricket was wonderful. That cricket taught me how to be a team member, which is very, very important. And rightly now, when I played a golf, I realized that I should ready to work on myself and not depend on other people. When you not depending on other people, not looking for excuse, it become beautiful. I enjoyed that life and I'm enjoying this life because God has given us such a fantastic life.
Sir, which among the cricketers are your best golfing buddies, or whom do you think they are good golfers than cricketers?
As long as they are playing cricket, I don't want them to play too much golf. Just go and play. Once in a while, you can come out and play. But former cricketer in India, Ajay Jadeja is extremely good. Roger Binney was very, very outstanding. Nikhil Chopra plays. So I don't know how many people, once you retired, you are with your own group, own people. I think it's a wonderful, but I don't know many people in India who like cricketer, who like to play golf. But recently, Murli Karthik has started. A lot of people have started playing golf.
That's great, sir. And I hope to see you soon at RCGC. From all of us at RCGC, best of luck, sir.
Thank you.
Next, Tejas Dhanuka.
Ji, Pradeep ji, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, you could ask your question. Sorry.
Well, Kapil, I know we talk about golf. I have been with you playing along in the last Indian golf of seniors, and you almost won. In the last phase, you lost out to Ganesh Khatam. But I'm sure you are good at it. So what's your plans about continuing with it? And also, of course, I have asked the questions that what plans you have for the youngsters, how you help them grow up or groom in cricket in particular?
I answered that recently, just now. I don't have to groom. They have to groom themselves. Only good thing we can tell them is you should be dedicated, disciplined, and have an aim in life. That's very, very important. It's not important. We have to guide them. They are very smart. I think that's the only thing is whatever work you are doing, be 100% dedicated to that work. Don't shift your mind. You are on the playground thinking about home and you are at home thinking about playground. Doesn't work. We always say, whatever work you are doing, stick to that. And that give you a better result rather than have a flicked mind. You keep on changing your mind all the time.
Excellent.
Right. And from the cricket, you have moved on to golf a bit. And now I think you're spending a lot of time on the life coaching. What's your take there? What are you enjoying and what you like to convey usually?
Oh, I like to enjoy my life. It doesn't matter you play golf or play cricket or watch movie. A motto of my life is whichever situation I am, I like to enjoy myself, and that's what I try to do. I don't plan too many things, but whatever it come to my hand, I like to enjoy that, and that's how give me happiness because I get involved more than 100% in that.
And as a life coach, what are the few important things which you like to convey, sir?
Again, I say these youngsters are very, very smart. Focus is very important. Young people are brilliant, but they don't have a focus. The focus span is not there very long. So it is, they have to develop, they have to learn to focus more and more. First day you focus for 5 minutes, then 7 minutes, then 10 minutes. Keep on focusing and trying to build your capacity to focus longer period of time. Your result will be better. Don't look for the result overnight. The result will come over the period of time.
Thank you. And over to you, JC.
Thank you, प्रदीप जी. आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगता है सुन के. हमने ये भी सुना कि बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाते हो सर.
नहीं, ऐसा कोई गलतफहमी नहीं है. बड़ा अच्छा खाना खाता हूँ. हाँ, वो ठीक है, वो एंजॉय करता हूँ. हाँ, बट अगर कभी जिंदगी ऐसी सिचुएशन लाए, अगर खाना बनाना पड़े, तो मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं होगा. I will enjoy that also.
आपकी एक फिल्म आ रही है सुनाम 1983, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे सर?
पहली तो वो मेरी फिल्म नहीं है, वो पूरी टीम की फिल्म है. 1983 is a plot. It's a group of people who went to play in England World Cup. How we won the World Cup. I think ये स्टोरी उसके ऊपर है, मेरे ऊपर नहीं है. I'm being the captain. Yes, that is important thing, but it's not important कि I am the only one. It's all 15 player, 14 कम मैनेजर. ये स्टोरी ये 15 लोगों की है, मेरी स्टोरी नहीं है. हमने उस दौरान कैसे क्रिकेट खेला, how we enjoyed ourselves, how we won the World Cup. I think this is story about that.
Excellent. कब तक मतलब we are so anxiously waiting for that movie to watch. आपकी वो स्टोरी देखनी है हमको. You are a part of that story. So actually the story goes around that match only. सर हमारे पास एक ऐसे फ्रेंड आए हैं बोत्सवाना से जिन्होंने आप पर एक किताब लिखी है. शेखर गोयल जी. शेखर गोयल जी अगर आप हैं तो आप हैंड रेज कर लीजिए. We will pull you in. You could say hello to him. Shekhar Goyal ji has written a book on you particularly about the matches and how you have played. He is a school friend of mine. So he wrote a book and he's come all the way from Botswana to talk to you. In the meantime, I have a hand raised by somebody to say hello to you. Tejas Dhanuka, I'm unmuting you. Tejas Dhanuka, yeah. You're live.
Hello, sir. Yes,
hello, everybody.
Hello. Sir, good evening. A very good evening. So I have two questions for you. Like, first question is related with cricket itself. Like, according to you, who was your nightmare bowler to face and the nightmare batsman to bowl?
I think I'll answer. I answer in one statement. The person who can't take wicket, he was the nightmare to me. The bowler who take a wicket of mine, he was nightmare to me. So I wouldn't say any batsman, I can't get him out at number 11 also a nightmare for me. So I believe in that sense. When you are bowling, there is no nightmare as such because your attitude should be different. And same, when you
yes, sir. That's the most quintessential thing.
Yeah.
That's actually the most quintessential thing. Secondly, I would like to ask you, as we all know that 83 is coming and Ranveer Singh is playing your role as the captain of the team.
He's answered this question. You should listen to what he's already discussed this topic.
No, actually my question is that what was it like to train Ranveer Singh?
I think these actors you don't have to train. They are so much motivated themselves. And I didn't train him. I think he was stayed with me. He was just picking up the mannerism, how I sit, talk, and all those things. Rest, he's seen enough television matches to copy or try to go close to the way I played. It's with all the actors in 83 movies, they done that. The people who are played Mohinder Amarnath's role. He did the same thing. So it is not we have to teach them. They are very smart. They are very intelligent. They are very dedicated. Only one thing I could say, I never expected film people were so dedicated. What I seen Ranveer, unbelievable. His working for 8 hours in this July month, it was unbelievable how he used to train.
Yes, sir. Actually, after seeing him in your getup, I also got confused for a bit.
Thank you, Dhanuka ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Shekhar is
Manish
unmuted.
Agarwal ko unmute kar लीजिए, please.
JC, first we can have Shekhar.
Yes, thank you.
Shekhar is unmuted.
Thank you.
शेखर आ गए क्या?
Yeah. नमस्कार
शेखर को
कपिल जी।
unmute कर लीजिए.
Sir,
हाँ, नमस्कार कपिल जी।
sir, my question is that what do you think about Dhoni and Sachin? Who was a better captain?
Someone, the person should be unmuted.
How are you, sir? कोई पूछना चाहिए था।
क्या पूछा आवाज क्वेश्चन आया नहीं.
नहीं, दो जनों ने इकट्ठा पूछा.
हमको भी सुने थे ना, क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead?
आप अपना माइक को दूर रखिए ना मनीष जी. उनको बोलिए माइक दूर रखेंगे. आप बोलिए.
सर, मैं शेखर गोयल, मैं बोट्सवाना में रहता हूँ. साउथ अफ्रीका और जिम्बाब्वे के बीच में है. आपसे बहुत बात करके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने और मेरे ब्रदर संजय भैया ने आपके ऊपर एक वॉल्यूम, एक बुक लिखी है. ये हमारे स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज की है. आप अगर इसको देख पा रहे हैं, और मैं इसमें जल्दी से जल्दी कुछ पेजेस इसमें
शेखर, डोंट डू दैट. शेखर, डोंट डू दैट, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. आपको खाली क्वेश्चन पूछना, कुछ बोलना है बोल दीजिए. Because he is here for.
Yeah, this is a typewritten caricature of Kapil ji. Just to let you know, what I'm requesting, sir, is that I would like to meet you if possible. I would like to have your autograph on this book if possible.
Do I have to come to boss? Oh, you will come today.
You are most welcome to Botswana. It will be our.
Only thing is, these days तो मैं आ नहीं पाऊंगा बोत्सवाना में. यहाँ से निकल ही नहीं पाएंगे. So जब मौका मिला जिंदगी में जरूर मिलेंगे.
Of course, ये लॉकडाउन के बाद की बात कर रहे हैं हम. और या अगर आपने मुझे परमिशन दी तो मैं आपसे चंडीगढ़ आकर के मिलना चाहूंगा सर.
जरूर. पहले ये खत्म हो जाए जो ये मुश्किल समय कह सकते हैं हम. ये खत्म होगा तो हम जरूर कहीं ना कहीं तो मिलेंगे. अगर जिंदगी रही तो मिलने का.
Thank you, Shekhar.
Thank you so much.
Shekhar. Okay, Manish Agarwal ji, I am unmuting you.
Unmuted.
Sir, good evening, sir.
हाँ जी, अब बोलिए.
Sir, my question is that what do you think about Sachin and Dhoni? Who was a better captain technically for India?
Unfortunately, Sachin didn't captain so long, so it's very difficult to compare. But I think Dhoni done a fabulous job. Same, Sachin done a fabulous job for the country. He wasn't captain for a long period, so we can't talk about his captaincy, about cricket. I think he given us so much happiness and proud moment. And we can say we never seen Don Bradman play, but if Don Bradman used to play like Sachin, must be a great player.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good question, Manish ji. Karishma Bajodia ji, I'm unmuting you.
I have unmuted her.
Yeah. Unmute kar dijiye, please.
Done.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Hello. Excuse me. I wanted to ask you that how did you feel when the whole team was you all were down in 5 or 6 wickets and the runs were 14 runs?
I wasn't very happy. I mean, any team, if you're the captain and you lose 5 wickets or 17 runs or 15 runs, so it can't be a very happy moment. Like if you are a young boy, if you don't get good marks in the class, you're not going to be happy. So I wasn't happy. My team was struggling, and but God have given us a strength to fight back. And I would say in everybody's life, God have given some special days. So I would say that was very special day for me. And I tried my best and luck was on my side. Team needed at that time. And I played a good cricket and God was kind.
Thank you so much. Can we have Ashwin Rathi ji unmuted?
Unmuted. I did that.
Ashwin Rathi ji, you're live.
Yeah, hi sir. My question to you is, there were proposals right now which were made by the BCCI that the IPL should be played in empty stadiums. What is your take on that?
I won't be very happy as a player to play on an empty stadium, but as a cricketer, I just want to play. As a cricketer, I like to play. If the crowd is there, I feel very proud and happy. If not there, I still want to enjoy myself. I want to go out and play and express myself as long as I get a chance to play. When I was 16, 18 years old, I wasn't bothered about people are watching me or not. I just want to enjoy myself playing.
Right, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you. Question. Next is Sushil Oswal ji. उनको unmute कर दीजिए मनोज.
Unmuted.
Hi sir, I am Sushil Oswal. I got a chance to meet you at some of the company's meetings, and where you have given a speech of a book was also presented to me, Good to Great. That was a very good book, and which you have gifted to all of them, and the company's person have given. And some teachings of that meeting was very wonderful, and still some of I am still reminding it, and am also following in my life. You are still very humble, and you are very special in things. It's a very special thing. लेकिन यही है कि सर I want to only hello him, that is must. और तो सब सर से सुन ही लिया, that is better.
सब हमारे भगवान को देख के ऐसा सोचते हैं.
Right, very good.
We have another unmute कर दीजिए उनको please, मीनू अग्रवाल जी को.
मीनू अग्रवाल.
मीनू जी, आप सिंगापुर से आई हैं?
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm my mom's daughter. I'm not Meenu. But I had a question. I play cricket for Bengal, and like when we play our season, so we go through a lot of failures, like ups and downs होता रहता है. So मुझे just पूछा था कि how do you handle that mentally, because the coaches are after you all the time, and then when you're going through a rough patch, like how do you come back from that?
I think first you have to have a self-belief, and you should try to look for your own talent. Every time, even Virat Kohli can't go make 100. So good time comes, bad time comes. When the good time comes, don't let it go. When you're not playing well, the only thing is go back to the practice, work more, work harder. I think there is no substitute for working hard. So आप जाके मेहनत करो and try, keep on trying. If you have a talent, you have to realize your own talent. You should believe that you believe in yourself. Say, I have a talent, and don't lie to yourself. And that's important. Sometimes you start compromising and you start saying, well, other people, they are not as good as me, but they're getting chance. No. Make yourself so good, nobody can question you. And when somebody questions you, you have to work harder than that.
Right, but like when you played as an all-rounder, right? So same with me, I also bowl pace. But like when you go for your first innings and then when you play your second innings, what's your mindset difference? Like first innings, suppose you're batting, then you're bowling. So do you switch your mindset on and off for that? Or you just stay the same?
No, you have to assess the situation or how the match is going out, and then you have to come out and play. Again, you have to play your natural cricket, whatever natural ability you have. But end of the day, it's not natural, it's required by the team. What is the situation is that? And that's very, very important. Assess the situation, you will perform much better.
Okay, good. Thank you.
डॉक्टर, हमारे पास डॉक्टरों की इतनी बड़ी फौज है, कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर अंजन सियोटिया, डॉक्टर सरफराज, आप लोग हमारी तरह से शांत बैठ के देख रहे हैं इनको. प्लीज आस्क डॉक्टर साहब, पूछिए आप, डॉक्टर अंजन सियोटिया, प्लीज पूछिए.
Yes. Well, thanks a lot, Jiten. Mr. Dev, my question to you is, I'll take you back to 1983 when you won the World Cup. I would like to know how the British people reacted to us winning the World Cup. What was their reaction? Were they happy for you? Were they angry? Were they upset? Were they jealous? Indifferent? What did you feel? The difference in the behavior of the hotel staff where you stayed in before and after the World Cup?
It didn't bother me because I was so happy. So that's more than that. I don't want to say if somebody's not happy about. We were very happy about our performance, and that was more important. Sometimes you don't have to see what they are saying or what they write or how they behave. I think it shows on their faces also.
I got the answer. Yes, thank you.
Dr. Sarfaraz, your turn next. आपको पूछना है.
जी सर, मिस्टर कपिल देव सर, आपसे तो हम लोग सब बहुत इंस्पायर्ड ही हैं बचपन से ही. वी हैव सीन यू एज अ कंप्लीट ऑलराउंडर एंड आई हैव रेड एंड हैव फॉलोड योर लाइफ इवन आफ्टर योर रिटायरमेंट. और मैंने देखा है कि आपको कुकिंग भी अच्छा लगता है, आपको गोल्फिंग भी अच्छा लगता है. आपने एक जगह कहा था कि माय फेवरेट पीपल आर नेल्सन मंडेला एंड मदर टेरेसा. सो अ लॉट ऑफ फिलैंथ्रोपी. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ. हाउ डज Kapil Dev keep Kapil Dev so humble, so balanced, such a great all-rounder? What is the secret behind this legend, Kapil Dev?
$1 billion question.
I think one thing all of us understand, if you are a doctor, you have ability of something, but that you don't have to be arrogant because other people have more ability than you people also. I am a cricketer. I have ability in cricket. That doesn't mean I become arrogant. If God or you have worked for something, that's it. You should feel happy and don't try to say you know everything. The people are more smarter than you also. When you start giving space to other people, you come to know you done best and that's it. It's not being humble. It's realizing other people's talent also. What I said, Nelson Mandela, I can't say somebody who lived in 27 years in a jail कि 27-26 साल वो एक जेल में रहा, एक कमरे में रहा. आज आप 50 दिन घर में रहे हो तो पता नहीं कितनी गालियां मन में निकाली होंगी आपने, किस किस को निकाली होंगी. When you look at these type of people, your heroes, for 26 years in one small cabin lived, and जब वो बाहर आए, नेल्सन मंडेला जब वो बाहर जेल से आए, बड़ी बात क्या होती है? बड़ी बात होती है कैसे रिएक्ट करना. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने कहा कि मैंने उन तमाम लोगों को माफ किया जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ रखा. I think you have to learn from other people, and that's very, very important.
This is a giant lesson in humility. And Jiten, with your permission, can I just say 2 lines on this?
बिल्कुल सर.
सर, आपके लिए एक शेर है जो मैंने बहुत पहले लिखा था, पर शायद आपको अच्छा लगे. मुझे मालूम है आपको पोएट्री अच्छी लगती है. शुक्र है वो आसमान नहीं बदलता, शुक्र है वो आसमान नहीं बदलता, यहाँ एक बारिश में मिट्टी बदल जाती है. तो आप सर इतने हम्बल हैं और आपकी ये ह्यूमिलिटी, आई थिंक जो भी सुन रहा है, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, हम सब लोग शायद इसको अप्रिशिएट कर ही रहे होंगे. थैंक यू. जितेन, बैक टू यू.
Thank you so much. Such we have 2 more people here lined up. We don't have enough time. पाजी को ज़्यादा देर होल्ड नहीं कर पाएंगे. अजय आर्या जी, unmuted you.
Hello sir. Sam Ansari. I used to play. I play golf myself, and since you also are a sportsman, play golf. I want to ask you what your fitness mantra is.
देखिए, जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती जाती है, you have to control your food more than anything else. होता क्या है कि जब आप क्रिकेट छोड़ देते हैं या 30 साल के बाद उम्र आती है, आपका इनटेक ऑफ फूड, खाना बढ़ जाता है और एक्सरसाइज कम हो जाती है. तो मैं तो सबको यही कहता हूँ, जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती जाए वैसे वैसे खाना आपका कम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आप छोटे हैं तो खाओ, खूब खेलो, हजम हो जाएगा. But at one age it comes out, the food take time to digest in your body. That's the time you have to understand your body कि अब इससे ज़्यादा खाना मेरी सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है.
Thank you, sir.
मैं भी एक पूछूंगा आपसे कि जैसे हिंदी पिक्चरों में बोलते हैं शेर, ये शेर जो आया है ना इससे पहले कोई ऐसा था ना इसके बाद कोई आएगा, क्या यही रीजन है कि आज तक हमको एक अच्छा ऑलराउंडर नहीं मिला आपके बाद?
आई थिंक ये हमारे पे अप्लाई नहीं होता. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इज ऑलवेज much better than you. Yes,
but none of them is a Kapil Dev again. We need another Kapil Dev.
But that take time. आज तक आपको दोबारा सुनील गावस्कर भी नहीं मिलने वाला, सचिन भी नहीं मिलने वाला. बहुत सारे ऐसे क्रिकेटर होते हैं पर उनसे बेटर मिलेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं मिलने वाले. जब सुनील गावस्कर थे हम सोचते थे ऐसा कोई प्लेयर आके ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर सकता है. फिर राहुल द्रविड़ आया, फिर सचिन तेंदुलकर आया, उन्होंने तमाम रिकॉर्ड तोड़ डाले. तो हम उम्मीद यही करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन विल बी बेटर, और होगी भी, होनी भी चाहिए. अगर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन बेटर नहीं होगी तो फिर दुनिया आगे नहीं बढ़ रही. और उसके लिए मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि आप ये मत उम्मीद कीजिए उससे कंपेयर करने का. ये कहिए क्या इससे भी बेटर आ सकता है? आ सकता है.
चलो हमारा इंतजार रहेगा. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm unmuting Chehak Agarwal. You're there live. You can ask.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Chehak. Sir, actually, I wanted to ask you. It's not just about cricket; it's about success, which everyone in life strives to become. So, sir, when you were at your peak time, and I'm sure there had been many struggles. So, what was your driving force behind all of them? Like at some point, you might have felt that yes, it's not your cup of tea. You should have quit it, but you didn't because there was some driving force. So, what was that driving force which actually led you to this position?
When you love yourself, there is nothing more than that. Don't say, I want to quit. Why should I quit? When cricket is giving me happiness, giving me thrill, this is my passion. Do you stop loving yourself when you see your face in the mirror? It was the same for me. When I see myself on the cricket ground, I never disheartened. Doesn't matter I made runs or not, but my passion was to play. And some people passion is to score. My passion was to play. The difference between playing and scoring is two different.
Thank you, sir.
मैं साथ में बैटरी चार्ज कर रहा हूँ, आप बात कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. नवीन गोयनका जी, हम आपको अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं. नवीन गोयनका जी.
Done.
Hello, Kapil sir.
जी.
It's an honor to speak to you.
जी.
हाँ जी सर, आपके बहुत सारे मैजिकल मोमेंट्स रहे हैं. 1983 के अलावा एक खास मौका था इंग्लैंड 5-डे टेस्ट में, जब इंडिया को 24 रन चाहिए थे फॉलो ऑन बचाने के लिए, और एक स्पिनर को सामने देखकर आपने 4 छक्के लगातार मार दिए और इंडिया फॉलो ऑन से बच गई. तो उस समय जब आपने मारा ये 4 छक्के, माइंड में क्या जा रहा था आपका?
अगर माइंड में कुछ जा रहा होता तो छक्के नहीं लगते. क्योंकि आप अपने फ्लो में होते हैं, और कुछ चीजें होती हैं, हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, अभ्यास करते हैं, और जब सिचुएशन आती है उसके लिए आप कोशिश करते हो कि कैन आई डू इट. एंड आप अगर वही मेरे साथ नंबर 8, 9 या 7 बल्लेबाजी कर रहा होता तो शायद मैं वो चांस नहीं लेता. सो समटाइम circumstances can make you perform differently.
I thank you so much. Let's unmute someone else. Sudeep Nopani.
Sudeep Nopani, unmuted.
Hello. Sir, it's an honor to talk to you.
My son wants to talk to Kapil Dev.
So, I have a question. Actually, what was the situation when you had to face Indies in 1983 World Cup final?
कुछ मेरे को एक्सप्लेन दोबारा कर दीजिए कोई जना.
हाँ, एक्चुअली इन्होंने ये आंसर किया है. ये पूछ रहे हैं, हाउ डिड यू फील व्हेन यू प्लेड वन दैट मैच 1983 वर्ल्ड कप.
ये कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ता है बच्चा?
बच्चे आपको उनको स्पॉटलाइट करते हैं वो. एक मिनट. से समथिंग बेटा.
क्लास 6.
5वीं क्लास में आपकी क्या पोजीशन थी जब आप क्लास में थे?
Actually, I was not so good.
So, अगर आप फेल हो जाते तो आपको कैसा लगता?
Too bad.
अगर आप फर्स्ट आते तो कैसा लगता?
Too good.
तो मेरे को वो लगा टू गुड, क्योंकि फर्स्ट आ गए, हम जीत गए, तो आई वाज टू हैप्पी अबाउट दैट. सो आपको ये देखना है कि अगर आपने अच्छा किया है तो आपको बुरा तो लगेगा नहीं, और जब अच्छा कर सकते और अच्छा नहीं किया तो हमेशा आपको बुरा लगेगा. तो इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लगा था, बहुत मजा आया था. जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होगे ना, 10th क्लास में जाओगे, 11th में जाओगे, तो आपको एहसास होगा जब आप फर्स्ट आते हो तो आपको कितनी खुशी मिलती है, और उसका शब्दों में नहीं बता सकते. यू कांट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स कि हाउ हैप्पी यू आर. ओनली यू नो इनसाइड हाउ हैप्पी यू कैन बी.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.
Awesome. Unmute. Let's unmute. So the next question.
Tanvi Kakaria.
Tanvi Kakaria.
Hello, sir.
हेलो.
बोलिए तन्वी.
तन्वी जी बोलिए. दूसरे को कर लीजिए मनोज, दूसरे को कर लीजिए प्लीज.
ओके.
उससे क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए.
हिंदू कौशल.
हाँ नहीं, उनका क्वेश्चन ले लो.
हिंदू कौशल अनम्यूटेड. या वी विल डू
हिंदू कौशल.
हाय कपिल जी.
हाय.
कपिल जी, याद होगा 1990 दिल्ली में एक कैंपेन पेप्सी कोला के लिए
जी.
तब आप सब लोगों के घर जाते थे और तब आप हमारे यहाँ भी आए थे. I was at railway officers colony Panchkuiya road, and that is one of the most amazing golden memory of my life.
Oh, that is a golden place also. Very nice place. That
And
railway.
you would not have noticed at that time. I was actually carrying a baby at that time, and she is almost 29 years old now, and she's become a solicitor.
थोड़ा सा कोक आप कम पियो. आपको कोक या पेप्सी इतना नहीं पीना.
अब मुझे आपसे एक सवाल ये पूछना है
जी
कि अगर आज लॉकडाउन के टाइम में आप कैप्टन होते हैं,
हाँ,
तो आप अपनी टीम को कैसे मोटिवेट करते और उनको फिजिकली मेंटली कैसे एक्टिव रखते?
और आज तो बहुत आसान है. जैसे आप और हम रूबरू बात कर रहे हैं, सारी टीम करती होगी. इनके पास ये आज की टेक्नोलॉजी है. हाँ, अगर ये 40 साल पहले होता तो बहुत मुश्किल होता, मैं ये मान सकता हूँ. आज मुश्किल नहीं है. आज तो इनके पास बहुत तरह की टेक्नोलॉजी है, where they can say यार कैसी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, कब प्रैक्टिस के लिए हम जाएं, कहाँ जाएं, एक दूसरे की हेल्प हो सकती है. तो इसलिए आज के टाइम में ये मुश्किल नहीं है. और आप जब हिंदुस्तान को खेल रहे हो, आपको मोटिवेट करने की जरूरत है. अगर है तो फिर कुछ गलत बात है. आई थिंक जब आप हिंदुस्तान के लिए खेल रहे हैं तो आपको मोटिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको समय चाहिए खेलने का. तो मैं नहीं समझता इनको कोई मोटिवेट कर सकता है. ये खुद ही इतने मोटिवेटेड है.
Definitely. Thank you very much, Kapil ji.
श्वेता अग्रवाल.
Hello, sir. I'm so excited to speak to you, sir. सर एक्चुअली मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि आजकल छोटे बच्चों में खासकर ये देख रहे हैं कि बच्चे बहुत हाइपर एक्टिव है एंड देयर कंसंट्रेशन इज वेरी लो. उनका कंसंट्रेशन बहुत कम है. तो हम आप ऐसी क्या चीज हमें मतलब सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि बच्चों के अंदर थोड़ा कंसंट्रेशन इंप्रूव किया जा सके? एनीथिंग व्हिच वुड यू लाइक टू सजेस्ट?
आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पेरेंट्स की है कि उनको ऐसी चीजें करने की कोशिश करें कि जिसमें वो एंजॉय कर सके, इन्वॉल्व हो सके. आप जैसे खाना खाते हैं, खाने में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं कि इसका टेस्ट बताओ क्या है, समझो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आप जिग्जो पजल कर रहे हैं तो उसमें कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का लेवल बढ़ता जाता है. आप कोई काम भी करते हैं, अगर पेरेंट्स का माइंड सेट सीरियस है तो वो अफेक्ट किड पे भी होगा. हम एज ए पेरेंट्स भूल जाते हैं कि हमें बच्चे देख रहे हैं, और हम अपना काम क्या पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से कर पाते हैं, बट हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बच्चे करें. आई थिंक जब हम खुद सीख जाएंगे, बच्चे भी सीख जाएंगे.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
थैंक यू सर. आज बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. So many children are coming to ask you questions. It's such a beautiful sight to see. Manoj, please unmute the other person.
Yeah, Tanvi Kakaria unmuted. No, I'm not able to unmute her. Something is
तो
wrong.
उसका क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए ना आप उसका.
हाँ. Tanvi, if you can please post the
chat में भेज दीजिए. We will read it
chat
out.
box.
I think there it is. Question आ रहा है chat में. Yep. शिल्पी, डॉक्टर शिल्पी मल्होत्रा को अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज. डॉक्टर शिल्पी मल्होत्रा को अनम्यूट करिए. डॉक्टर शिल्पी मल्होत्रा को अनम्यूट करिए. एक्चुअली हमारे ना 4 कुछ होस्ट गायब हो गए. या देयर यू आर. ओके, अनम्यूटेड.
Yeah.
कैन यू अनम्यूट? मेरे ऐसे जा नहीं रहा है मनोज.
Yeah, something is wrong. I'm not able to unmute her.
Yeah.
Unmuted, I think. Okay, fine.
Yeah. अरे यार, फिर से म्यूट हो जा रहा है. रवि मैं या डन. एक मिनट, अनम्यूट हो नहीं रहा है somehow.
JC, if there is a gap, I can ask a question.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, done,
So,
done,
sir, my
yeah,
question
yes,
would
yes.
be that you have performed under tremendous pressure. Your life has been like you've seen so many ups and downs or whatever. So, how do you connect to yourself? You know, introspect, or what do you do to keep that thing going? Because we are seeing so many different things. You know, me being a doctor, now things are different. But life in general, you know, performance-wise, relation-wise, it's not a straight graph, right?
पहले आप ये समझिए कि प्रेशर नहीं है. अगर मेरे को प्रेशर है तो फिर मैं खेल नहीं रहा. मेरे लिए प्लेजर है. क्या आपके लिए आपका काम खुशी है, प्लेजर है, या वो प्रेशर है? मुझे तो खेलना बड़ा मजा आता था और मजे में प्रेशर नहीं हो सकता. क्या आप डॉक्टर हैं तो आपको वो प्रेशर है तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल है. क्या जिस दिन आप डॉक्टरी को एंजॉय करना सीख जाओगे उस दिन प्रेशर खत्म हो जाएगा. कभी आप प्यार करते हुए प्रेशर में आते हैं? नहीं आते. तो प्रेशर किस बात का? ये बहुत अमेरिकन वर्ड है कि बहुत प्रेशर है. किस चीज का प्रेशर है? आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं बीइंग अ डॉक्टर और नॉट? अगर कर रहे हैं तो फिर वो प्रेशर नहीं हो सकता. जिस दिन आप अपने काम को प्लेजर ले लेंगे, मजा ले लेंगे, तो तब सब गेम बदल जाएगी. तो मैंने क्रिकेट को कभी प्रेशर नहीं लिया. मैंने क्रिकेट को हमेशा प्लेजर लिया है, खुशी ली है, मजा लिया है, और मजे में प्रेशर नहीं आ सकता.
Lovely thoughts. Thank you so much.
Chawla, you're unmuted.
Hi, sir. So, sir, in 1993, when my brother was 6 months old, you had picked him up. And ever since, in 1998, when I was born, when I was like 4-5 years old, he always used that as something that he would tease me with. And today, now that I'm here and talking to you, I'd like to thank, like, I don't have a question for you, sir, but I'd like to thank Papa JC and thank you for coming on this show, because now, finally, to that tease, I will have a reply. And I will tell him
Listen, make yourself happy, make your brother happy. टीज नहीं करना, हैप्पीनेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करो ना. बोलो कि आज बहुत मजा आया बात करने का, और अपने भाई को भी बोला वो बहुत मजा था जिस दिन है. टीज तब करते हैं जब किसी को अंगूठा दिखाना है. आपको अंगूठा थोड़ा दिखाना है, आपको तो हग करना है. अगर भाई को हग नहीं करोगे तो किसको करोगे?
So वैसे ही आपसे मिलने के बाद अब तो हग ही करूंगा उनको.
हाँ, करना भी है, उसको टीज नहीं करना.
बाजी, ये मेरा बेटा है, छोटा वाला. इसके बड़े वाले को आपने गोद में लिया था.
Nanu says you are the king of cricket. You are.
There's another one I'm unmuting now. Is एक minute, muted. Okay. We have so many questions lined up. How do we take up these questions? Interesting questions coming up on the chat box now. Reading them out. I'm reading them out to you. Kapil ji, please share any hilarious episode that you remember that happened in dressing room.
या हम हमेशा यही कहते हैं कि ड्रेसिंग रूम की बातें बाहर नहीं आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बेडरूम स्टोरीज शुड रिमेन इन द बेडरूम, शुड नॉट कम आउट, बिकॉज यू नो हम सब एक जैसे मैच्योर नहीं होते. हम कुछ अपने ऊपर हंस सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं हंस पाते. तो मैं ये कहता हूँ कि मैं तो बेडरूम स्टोरी नहीं बता सकता. कुछ जो स्टोरी टेलर्स होते हैं ना, वो बड़े अच्छे लोग होते हैं. वो इतना नमक मिर्च लगा के स्टोरीज बताते हैं कि मानो पूछो ही ना. हमारी टीम में हैं और ये मूवी जब आ रही है इसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा some of the people who believe that and they will come to know how good they are storyteller.
Excellent. एक और क्वेश्चन है कपिल बाजी, if given a chance or if you can rewind your life again, what would you like to change in your life?
Only thing I feel, nothing much, only more education. If I have done that, I would have felt very happy because being a sportsman, it will remain with you 30, 35 years. But education remain with you throughout your life till you die. So I think important for all the kids, for everybody, education is the key, and which I wasn't very good. I was a poor student, so I say, fine, but I didn't waste my life still.
So, Amit Kejriwal ji, unmuted you. Amit Kejriwal ji, you are there.
कलकत्ता में कैसे पहुंच गए?
Hello, sir. Happy evening.
जी, happy evening.
Yes, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके. It's a great time. And my question is, we started with the Test cricket, then we have a limited over cricket, then the 2020 like 20 overs match. Now, what would be the next limited over?
God knows. Maybe 100 balls, maybe then 100 balls, then 50 balls, and maybe 10 balls, and after that head and tail.
Only toss. Yes.
Only toss. Head and tail, and you can finish.
Right, sir. Thank you. Looking forward to. Yeah, great. Have a good time. Yeah.
सर
Jesse,
एक बात पूछना था आपसे
जी,
आप इसके अलावा कुछ कविता लिखते हो या कुछ गाना वाना गाते हो या कुछ तो हॉबी होगी आपकी?
मेरी माँ ने बोला था, बेटा सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलना, बाकी काम नहीं करना, वो तेरे साथ नहीं चलते, तो इसलिए ना गाना गाना कभी, क्योंकि गाना गाएगा आसपास के लोग भाग जाएंगे, और ना ही कुछ और कोई काम करना. तो मैंने सिर्फ अपना खेल तक ही रखा है कि बस खेल सकूं तो बहुत है.
आपका एक पोस्टर होता था जो हमेशा हर पोस्टर में एक ऐसा एक यहाँ पर अटका हुआ रहता था पोस्टर, हमारे पास इतना बड़ा लगा हुआ था for so many years it never replaced, and that poster I think is the poster of everybody who wanted to bowl like you. आपकी bowling में ऐसी क्या खास बात थी? How did you use what was the trick behind your bowling?
Nothing. I was plan anything is just over the period when it's like a handwriting. ये पानी दे दो हमें. It's like a handwriting, some people have a different kind of handwriting. Some people have very stroke handwriting. Some people go round and round. It's like that. Or somebody can sing. So I think I didn't plan. It's just when you're growing up, you want to bowl in a way, and end of the day, people loved it. I feel very happy, but I didn't anything plan in that manner.
Excellent. Dr. Nandini Ray, you want to ask something? I just got a message. Dr. Nandini Ray.
Hello.
Yes.
Dr. Abhijit Ray speaking on our behalf.
Yeah.
I have two questions for Paji.
Yes, please.
One is, when Indian spinners were at the top, Bedi, Prasanna, Chandrasekhar, Venu Mankad before that, what inspired him to pioneer genuine fast bowling in India? That's number one. Number two is, when the gallery is craving for sixers and Indian team is under pressure, but we always wanted fireworks from Kapil ji, sixers, boundaries, everything. What sort of thing would go through his mind?
I think second का मैं पहले जवाब दे देता हूँ कि मेरे को और किसी तरीके से खेलना ही नहीं आता था. I only knew that's the way to play. I didn't know if somebody used to say, the team used to say, तुमने ब्लॉक करनी है, बॉल रन नहीं बनाने, तो मेरे को पता नहीं चलता था मैं क्या करूँ. It's the flow I have. Some people are very good to save the wicket. Some people are good at hitting, and I was not technically very sound batsman. मेरे को एक ही चीज होता था कि जब हमें नेट प्रैक्टिस होती थी, 2 मिनट बैटिंग मिलती थी, और 2 मिनट में हम बोलते थे कि हम जिंदगी के सारे शॉट नेट में, जब छोटे स्कूल में थे, सारे शॉट खेल ले, तो उसमें हमारा जो बेसिक था डिफेंस वो नहीं मिला हमें, और हम बस मारना ही सीखे और कुछ नहीं सीखे। और दूसरा आपने बोला कि बिशन सिंह, वेदी, प्रसन्ना, चंद्रा एंड वीनू मनकट बिफोर, आई थिंक it's a group of people where you born and brought up and situation sometime उनके आधार पे आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो। हमारे स्कूल में 2 नई गेंद मिलते थे और मैं थोड़ा सा कद में बड़ा था, तो जो कोचेस या टीचर होते थे वो कहते थे चलो तुम नई गेंद करो। और जब आप फेयर देखते हैं ना दूसरे की आंखों में somehow in sports, वो आपको बहुत मजा आता था। वैसे फेयर आना नहीं चाहिए, बट वो एज ए किड आता था, ये डर गया मेरे से। तो आई थिंक वो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता गया और कब फास्ट बॉलर बने पता भी नहीं चला।
Thank you, sir. You have been the pioneer and inspiration for the whole battery of Indian pace bowling today, and we have one of the best formidable pace sides now, and the credit goes to you, and it has opened up. And thank you very much for your great humility. We are also inspired by you, as always. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Dheeraj, I'm unmuting you. Dheeraj Siddhi, I'm unmuting you.
Good evening, sir.
Dheeraj, I'm unmuting you.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
आप पूछिए।
सर, ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट लाइक कोई मैच ऐसा जिसको आप कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो जिसको आप चेंज करना चाहें पीछे जाके?
देखिए, फिर तो ऐसा बहुत ही कुछ है। हाँ, ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि वो बॉम्बे में जब हम वर्ल्ड कप इंग्लैंड से हारे, वो काफ़ी मुश्किल समय आया कि हम जीत सकते थे, लेकिन हम बॉम्बे में खुद हार गए, अपनी टीम के साथ इतना अच्छा क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सके। वो कह सकते हैं कि बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टाइम था। बाकी हार जीत चलती है, ये नहीं कह सकते क्या रिवाइंड करना। जब इतनी अच्छी भगवान ने जिंदगी दी है तो रिवाइंड करके क्या और ठीक करना। किसी ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, एक 90 साल का आदमी था, 90 साल का आदमी था, तो उसको बोला, 90 साल का आदमी था, उसको बोला कि और तुम जिंदगी में क्या चाहते हो? तो उसने बोला कि मैं अगर अपने आप को और तंदुरुस्त रखता तो बहुत मजा आता। तो आदमी 90 साल का और कितना तंदुरुस्त रखोगे भाई? तो मैं कहता हूँ कि जो मिला है उसमें खुश रहना चाहिए। आई थिंक दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट।
Thank you.
सर, एक क्वेश्चन आया है चैट बॉक्स में। कपिल जी, when you went as a night watchman for the first time, despite that you remained not out, why was Bishan Singh ji not very happy? Read this but don't know the reason.
No, it was very simple. Night watchman's job is to stop the ball, not to make runs. Don't get out. And मेरे को आता नहीं था, जो मैंने आपको अभी 1 मिनट पहले बोला, मेरे को डिफेंस करना नहीं आता था। वो शायद उनकी उस समय नादानी हो सकती है, या उन्होंने सोचा कि मेरे में इतनी कैपेबिलिटी है, मैं रोक सकता हूँ। मुझे रोकना आता नहीं था, तो मेरे को वो 10-12 बॉलें मिली, तो मैं 22 करके वापस किया। जब
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। किसी ने म्यूट, एक मिनट, कोई गलती से म्यूट हो गया। इनको अनम्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज।
अब आ रही है?
हाँ जी, हाँ आ रही।
हाँ, तो वो मैं 22 रन करके वापस पहुंचा, तो एज ए यंगस्टर आई सोचा कि कप्तान तो मेरा बहुत खुश होगा कि मैंने इतने रन किए। तो उन्होंने मेरे को बुलाया, पंजाबी में बोला, ओए नाइट वॉचमैन का मतलब पता है तेनू? आई सेड, बाजी हाँ जी, कि आउट नहीं होना। कहते तेरे को रोकने के लिए बोला था। मैंने कहा पाजी वो मेरे पास फेंके जा रहे थे, मेरे से नहीं रुक रहा था। तो उन्होंने डांटा भी और बोल दिया कि आगे से जिंदगी में आप तो कभी नाइट वॉचमैन नहीं जाओगे। तो ऐसा प्यार भी मिला और डांट भी पड़ी, मतलब समझो।
थैंक यू दीपक, लवली क्वेश्चन यू आस्क्ड। तेरे पास अच्छे क्वेश्चन है भाई साहब, दीजिए जरा। यू आर आस्किंग सो वेल। आज तो पाजी आपने इतने प्यार से सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिए हैं। टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय शो I had more than 20-30 children asking questions. and I'm so happy that this generation connects with you. Baji, you are one of the such legends जो हमारे लिए भगवान तो है ही, but for these children connecting with you is such a good sight that I've seen today. बाजी आप किताबें लिखते हो? हाँ बोलो सर.
एक सिर्फ आपसे ये बोलूंगा, आप किसी भी क्रिकेटर को या किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग को भगवान कहने की कोशिश मत करो. देखिए, हमें यही रहना है. अगर खुदा ने हमें, भगवान ने हमें थोड़ा सा क्रिकेट में टैलेंट दिया, इसका मतलब हम नहीं कि वो आप शब्द यूज करें. वो शब्द ना तो स्पोर्ट्समैन ना हो, आपके डॉक्टर, चाहे जितना बड़ा भी डॉक्टर हो, आप भगवान मत कहिए. हाँ, डॉक्टर को तो फिर आप भगवान कह सकते हैं क्योंकि आप जिंदगी बचाते हैं, और जब आप जिंदगी बचाते हैं तो आप भगवान क्या स्तर पर पहुंच जाते हैं. तो हम खिलाड़ियों में टैलेंट है, एबिलिटी है, और जब आप कहते हैं कि भगवान, तो हमें बड़ा, मुझे तो बहुत शर्म भी आती है और अजीब भी लगता है.
गलती कान पकड़ा सर, नहीं बोलूंगा पाजी.
हाँ.
अच्छा पाजी, आप किताबें लिखते हो, आपने किताबें लिखी है, कुछ बताइए ना उसके विषय में.
मैंने कोई ऐसी किताबें नहीं लिखी, अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखते हो, और हर 10 साल के बाद आपका थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज होता जाता है. आई डिड माई बेस्ट व्हेन आई रोट क्रिकेट दिल से, या माई लाइफस्टाइल, एंड आई थिंक उस समय कुछ चीज़ें आप लिख देते हो, कुछ समझ भी होती है, कभी कभी समझ भी नहीं होती. अगर आज आप मेरे से बोलें किताब लिखिए तो मैं कता भी ना लिखूं.
बाजी, एक हमारी जिंदगी में कमी रह गई है जो मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूँ. आई हैव 2 sons and I don't have a daughter. How does it feel to be a father of a daughter who's doing, I think she's also assisting in the movie. Please share something about her.
I think it's very difficult to, explain in word. You have a daughter which is very difficult to express. Like you have a son, I can ask you the same thing. I don't have a son, but I have a daughter. I think having your own creation is, there is thousands and millions books have written on this, but it's very difficult to explain. She asked me one day, Dad, what do you want me to become? And I said, as a father, I said, aap ban hi nahi sakte. So she said, tell me. I said, as a father, I would like you to be the best doctor, best scientist, best sports person, and best in everything, because that's a father talking. But I went to her and say, look, to me is what you want to become. Can I help you to achieve your dream? You should have your dream. Say, mere ko ye banna hai, and I'll try my best to help you. I never say you should become like this. No, I have to see what passion she have. I try to fulfill that.
बाजी, एक आपसे गुजारिश करनी थी. हमको बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं. आज हमारे पास लगभग 600 लोगों ने लॉगिन किया था या रजिस्टर किया था, बट कोई वजह से ये लोग इंटरनेट के कारण वो एंटर नहीं कर पाए. ये हमसे बार-बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि आप क्या दोबारा एक टाइम देंगे हमें?
जरूर देंगे, क्यों नहीं देंगे.
बाजी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलकर. आज आपसे एक आप एंडिंग नोट आप कुछ दीजिए हमारे लिए. आई वांट दिस चिल्ड्रन टू टेक बैक समथिंग फ्रॉम यू टुडे, समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, something that they would like to hear.
How can I butt in if I have to in there?
I would say the same thing what I said in the beginning. When you're growing up as a kid, try to have a passion कि क्या करना चाहते हो जिंदगी में, and don't try to make other people happy. जो काम करते हो अपने आप को खुश करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, किसी को दिखाने के लिए नहीं. Don't try to show off. Just try to be good enough for yourself, because आपका टैलेंट आपसे बेहतर कोई नहीं जानता. तो अपने टैलेंट को पहचानो और वो लाइन पकड़ो. ये नहीं कि बाकी एक लड़का क्रिकेट खेलता है तो आपको भी खेलना है, बाकी एक दोस्त आपका गाना गाता है तो आपको भी गाना है. ये कोशिश करो, whichever age you reach, आपका पैशन क्या है, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं. जिस दिन वो मिल जाएगा ना, तो आपको मेरी जरूरत बताने की नहीं पड़ेगी.
मैं पाजी को भगवान नहीं बोलूंगा, कसम खाता हूं, बट पाजी को पाजी जरूर बोलूंगा.
हाँ, वो बोल सकते हैं.
उनके लिए जो फीलिंग्स है हमारे लिए, वो शायद कोई चेंज ले नहीं सकता हमसे. सीमा जी, आई हैव टू थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग हिम ओवर, एंड इट इज सच एन ऑनर टू होस्ट हिम टुडे. सीमा जी, you want to say something, please?
Yeah, thank you. Before I say, I would request Pradeep ji to say it as well.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सीमा जी।
Pradeep is going to be speaking.
हाँ जी। या
I said before I say anything and before I wrap up the show, I would like Pradeep ji to say a few words.
आपकी आवाज एकदम ना धीरे धीरे आ रही है, ठीक से नहीं आ रही है सीमा जी।
वो स्पीकर ऑन किया हुआ है, स्पीकर बंद कर दीजिए, आवाज अच्छी आएगी।
जी हाँ
प्रदीप जी आप कुछ बोल रहे थे।
जी हाँ कपिल
जी,
आज इतनी देर में आपसे हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सुना, बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत कुछ समझा और बहुत सी ऐसी बातों से अवगत हुए जो कि बहुतों को मालूम नहीं था। लेकिन इस सारी बातों को यदि चंद लाइनों में यदि लिखना हो और कहना हो तो मैं अपने दिल की आवाज आप तक पहुंचाना चाहता हूं सबों के लिए। वो है कि कपिल, भारत की सौंधी मिट्टी की खुशबू का एहसास हो तुम, because you are basically a very down to the earth man from a small village, so I have always considered you that, कि भारत की सौंधी मिट्टी की खुशबू का एहसास हो तुम, अनुशासन की गरिमा का जीवंत उदाहरण हो तुम, ध्रुव तारे की तरह युवाओं का मार्गदर्शन हो तुम, इंसानियत की पराकाष्ठा हो तुम, सबों का दुलारा, सबों का प्यारा गौरव हो तुम, भारत का नूर और नाज हो तुम कपिल। Hats off to you.
Thank you, very well written. Thank you. Such a good write. You just wrote it, I think so.
Yes, आपने आज सुबह कहा तो मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई, I have a great admiration for Kapil. I also write sometimes, so I just wrote. And you're wondering whether I speak like English, whether I can write in Hindi, so I just wrote in Hindi.
Very well done.
Very well.
Thank you so much. Thank you all my doctor friends for being here to honor the hero of the country. It was such an honor to have all of you together. And Kapil Paji, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज आपने आकर हमारी एकदम इच्छा पूरी कर दी है। Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
आपसे वादा लेके हम आपको छोड़ रहे हैं आज सर, आप दोबारा आएंगे।
जरूर आएंगे।
और हम अब की बार सारे के सारे फ्रेंड्स को लेकर आएंगे, उस दिन तूफान नहीं आएगा। Thank you so much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
तो तूफान उनसे मिलने आ ही जाते हैं।
नहीं, उस दिन तूफान आएंगे ना।
हाँ।
उस दिन तूफान आएंगे।
अच्छा, उस दिन हरिकेन से आएंगे, खुद आएंगे वो।
हरियाणा हरिकेन आएंगे।
Thank you very much, sir. It was indeed a pleasure.
Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ji.
Bye, Seema ji.
Okay. Bye bye.
सर रवि आप एंड कर दीजिए मीटिंग।